Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you how you get on Storia. So we're on Angel's page right now, and he has been on Storia before because he was here last year and he knows that he likes it. But for those of you that haven't, you might have to scroll down until you see this red icon with the white book that says Scholastic. So you will click on it, and Storia should pop right up here. And you click Launch, and here you go. You can search for different books online. A lot of times I will assign you a collection to look from. So, like, there's collections down here, or maybe I'll assign you a specific book. But if I don't, then you are free to look for whatever you would like to read. All right. So, again, this is something a little different. I know some of us are really going through those ARC bookshelf books, and you might be getting tired of reading the same things over again. So, this is something else you can use. So, again, you go on the Clever, you click on this Scholastic, and you might have to click Launch. It should be the only thing that pops up, Storia, and here you go.